Good afternoon. I'm Siddhant Nath and
Hi,
I've been
myself
working as an
Drishyal
business
Rani. I have
analyst
completed
intern
my
at Unified Mentor since
internship with
September
Unified
1, and
Mentor
it
as a
has been
full
almost
stack
3
web
months of
development
working out
intern. It was a
there.
great learning
And
experience.
I would
I
like to
got to
thank them
work on
for
the
the opportunity
projects
they've
like
given to me. They
weather
have
app,
doubt
which
training
uses
classes
API
and also the
integration, or
proper
student teacher
guidance if I
booking
have any doubt
appointments,
while
which also
working,
uses Firebase and
and I would
Cloud
recommend
Firestore.
to
I
work
had
there. Good
such a
afternoon.
great
I'm
time working
Siddhant
on this
Nath and I've
project,
been
which
working as an
makes
business
my knowledge
analyst intern at
my
Unified
theoretical
Mentor since
knowledge worked
September
into the
1,
practical
and it has
ones.
been
It
almost 3 months of
improved
working
my
out
skills in
there.
HTML,
And
CSS,
I would
JavaScript,
like to
and
thank them for the
also I
opportunity they've
happened to
given
learn
to
new
me.
skills
They have
like
doubt training
React,
classes
Node,
and also the proper
and
guidance
Firebase
if
as
I
well.
have any doubt while
I had
working,
such a great time.
and I would
Overall, the
recommend to
mentors
work
in
there.
Unified Mentor are
Good
so
afternoon. I'm
supportive.
Siddhant
Any
Nath
doubts
and
can be
I've been
solved
working
if I
as an
message them or call
business
them in
analyst
any time,
intern at
which
Unified
was a
Mentor since
great thing which
September
makes
1,
every
and it has
task
been
easier.
almost 3 months of working
Thank
out
you,
there.
Unified Mentor, for
And
giving me this
I would like to
opportunity,
thank
and I
them
would
for the
recommend to
opportunity
all the
they've given
students
to
to
me.
gain the
They have
work
doubt training
experience
classes and
and the
also the
real
proper
life
guidance
experience
if
with
I
this.
have any doubt
Thank you.
while working.